Aw, man.
Hey. Here we go. Getting nibbled. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Take this beauty out. Okay, bud. There it is. Little yellow perch. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Nice. Oh, there we go. Another one. There you have it, folks. Oh no, he's spinning. Two for two. See if we can go 3 casts in a row. Oh no.
What? Did he eat it?
Unless it fell off in the grass, I think he ate it. Like and subscribe.